YouTube? Welcome to another episode, another banger. Welcome. In today's video, I'm bringing back testing. Y'all know a few months ago, I made a video, right, saying about starting a skill trading, and yeah, man. Now I'm in a position where I can really trade in the mornings, cause do it work. So I have to do what I can do with my time, which is back test. Okay, so I'm bringing y'all back testing with me, and I'll be showing y'all what I do, my strategy, and yeah, stay tuned and let me know in the comments, okay, how I do it, if I can improve anything, you know what I'm saying, any advice. Okay, I'm not professional, I'm just starting, okay? So let's dive in without further ado. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Okay, I'm here in GBP USD. Let's go. Select the first available day on the 1 minute. I wanna go to 1 minute. Select the first available day, March 2025. Okay, so we're gonna back test it. Long story short, I trade with Yarimi. He's my mentor. Okay, I'll leave the link below if you all want to learn how to trade. He's the best mentor I know. One of the best. I really love the guy. I had the opportunity to be with him, take a picture, have a word with him, and I really appreciate, man. You know what I'm saying, on the video call, giving me the opportunity to speak around 700 people and really encouraging me, you know what I'm saying, opening the shot to let people encourage me that I'll be better, I'll be fine. And yeah, man, you know what I'm saying, I'm sticking with him. Let's see. Okay, I got the back testing of Glory. This is my back testing sheet. You know what I'm saying? That's what I back test, and then I put all the details in here. Okay, then I got Google Calendar, inbox, and then yeah, pass and payout bootcamp. Okay, let's know that. Let's go. Okay, then we started the daily. What time is it? It's 5:40. Okay, we start in the daily. Okay, we start in the daily. Okay, daily. No, and actually we start in the monthly. So pretty much my strategy is liquidity sweep. I trade with the institutions, with the banks, and more. Okay, I don't know everything, but I know liquidity sweep. Okay, I will be telling y'all more when we get there. So the monthly, okay, as the monthly, I know liquidity here. I can see liquidity sweep. I can see liquidity, man. It is liquidity. I can see that the market been doing higher highs, higher lows. I can see equal highs. I can see that the market, so this price tapped into it. Imbalance. This should be an imbalance, and then it shoot down. Okay, so I can see that the market is bullish. Okay, so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I believe this should be a complex pullback, and this is bearish. This is not bullish. This is bearish. I think yeah, this market is bearish until we break this higher low. Okay. Yes, until we break this higher low, we're bullish. But for the month, it should be a bullish month. When we go to the daily, on the daily, we are what? We still market on the daily is what? It's bullish, okay? It's bullish. Overall, it's a bearish market, but for the day, okay, I'm looking for the day. For the rest, I don't. For the day, what can I see? I see market had a higher high, then it had a higher low. This low led this high led to this low that broke, that then a change of character, right? Yeah, then a change of character. Yeah. So the market's still bearish overall, but I can see that the market is doing high highs, high lows. Than this is a change of character. Wait. Yeah, so change of character. Okay. I'm not gonna make this video too long. You just I wanna train with y'all, you know. As I'm here explaining, I'm actually learning, and I'm actually, you know what I'm saying, refreshing. So So this is a change of character. Then another high that led to a low that caused the break of structure. So every time the market breaks structure, market has to retrace by nature. That's the market cycle. When you break down the change of character, market is behaving differently. When there's another break, now market has to retrace. Okay. So yeah. Okay, this one is a BOS, boss. I'm at the boss, BOS, but it stands for break of structure. This stands for change of character. Okay. So for the day, I can see bullish. I can see that my pro trend movement is bullish. Okay. So I know that the day I'm bullish, and I can see here an imbalance, a daily imbalance. Let me know if that's how I mark an imbalance. Okay, let me know if the imbalance how I mark it is correct. So this is a higher time frame zone. Then I drop into the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, what can I see? On the 4 hour, can I see that market has been doing, it's been going up. It's been shooting, is on the bullish movement. I can see strong candles breaking through. Okay, I can see change of character, break of structure. On the 4 hour, I can see this last low. There's a low that led to a high. Wait, there's low that led to this high. This low that led to this low that led to this line that made a demand. Okay, wait. I can see low, high, yeah. No, this is not a low because this didn't lead to anything. So this is a low that led to this high. This high didn't break. It led to this high. That broke. That made a change of character. Okay. Okay. A low that leads to a high creates a strong demand. Okay. So I can see that this is a demand. Price tap into this demand and then shoot up. Okay. Then I have another. Okay. Low that led to this. This high. So I can see markets in the bullish on the 4 hour. So pretty much, guys, I have to align my daily bias with the not daily bias, my higher time frame bias with my lower time frame. But I just have to align. Okay. So if the price normally on the daily is bullish, monthly is bullish, it doesn't mean on the lower time frame. Lower time frame is considered what, 1 hour, 30, 45, 15. It doesn't mean it's gonna be bullish. So if one is bullish on the high, it doesn't mean that the low is gonna be bullish. Okay. So yeah, on the 4 hour I can see bullish movement. Then I drop to 1 hour. Okay. I can just target my zones. What time is it? 5 o'clock. Let me advance a little bit. 2 midnight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, these are 5 p.m. Okay. So see, I think this is imbalance. Price tap into it, mitigate, then it shoot up. See? Okay. Okay, what was, oh shit, sorry. Okay. So I can see market is what, consolidating. I can see the market consolidating. Okay, this is a consolidation. It's consolidation. Normally when price is consolidating, it's gonna take, I believe it's gonna take the high, then it's gonna take the low. Okay. I can see market doing high highs, high lows, high high. I can see this high that led to this low on the 1 hour. Hey guys, let me know, man, how am I doing? If I'm doing right, wrong. I just want to do something. At least I'm doing something. Price tap into this demand, 1 hour demand, and keep skyrocketing. Let's see the next day. Okay, let's go into the 15. What I do on 15? On the 15, I can see price taking. Price did not take this low. Price did not take this low. Okay. What I can see price take this high, last Asian high. Price took this Asian low and took this Asian low as well. Price took this Asian high, but did not take the low. Did take the high, but did not take the low. And then I see this Asian line being formed. So we still have these two Asians to be taken off. Okay, and I have this one. Two now. Yeah, two. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Asians to be taken off. Okay. I'm pretty sure price already mitigated this high balance, but probably it's going to fail because prices still have a lot of potential. Okay. When I check the price into here, if my Fibonacci tool, prices still have a lot of space to mitigate, come to discount, premium. Okay, so let's focus here 15 minutes. What do I see in the 15 minutes? I have this previous Asian line. Now this low that led to a high. Well, let me see again in the daily. The daily, this is a bullish movement, a small kind of movement. But I do believe that we're still bullish. So we're bullish or bearish? We're bullish, man. We're bullish. We're going to the 15, looking for buys. I have this high that led to this low, or to this low that creates a strong supply. Okay, I can see an imbalance here. Okay, I see what is going. I can see an imbalance in here. Okay, I see an imbalance. I see an imbalance in here. Wait, I see an imbalance in here. Okay, let me put my time window. So I trade from 8 to 11. That's my time window, 8 to 11. Okay, 8 to 11. 8 to, what time is it? 5:45. 8 to 11, that's my time window. Then here is, then my second window, New York window, is 2 to 5, New York. Okay, London is 8 to 11, London time. New York is from 2 to 5, London time. Okay, New York session. So I have London session and New York session. So this is a London time, guys. I'm in UTC, you see. Okay, I stand to start marking my zone. I get the imbalance. I see the price tap into this imbalance. Okay, I see this high that led to a low. I left the supply. I see this. I see this low that led to a high that created a. Sorry, my mouse is off. I see this low that led to this high that broke decisional zone. Okay, so I can see a decisional and I can see an extreme zone. Decision and an extreme zone. Okay, I see imbalance, I can see decisional zone and extreme zone. Okay, so this I have this high that led to this. I have this low that led to this high that changed character. Change character. Then I have this, and then this low. I have this low, let this high that broke structure. Then it broke structure. Does this mean this broke structure? I'm not sure. As I'm not sure, I'm not gonna go with it. So my heart is telling me just to leave this extreme zone, okay? Then I jump into 5 minutes. Let me see what's going on. Okay, I saw price took, so I can see sellers in control. Most likely, yeah. I can see liquidity. I can see this big imbalance. Is the price gonna tap into here? I'm not sure. Okay, but did not take this low. But let's see. And everything is possible, but I believe in me. Okay, so I have this high that led to this low that left a big demand, big supply. I can see this high leading to this low, break strike, tap into this. Okay, so one question is, who is in control? I can see sellers are in control. If you look into buys, if price tap into, if you buy, if price taps into supply before tapping into demand, it's part of invalidation models. Okay, that's true. Okay, so let's play price. What time is it? 6. What time is here? Do I see Asian ticking? I can see this high that led to this low. Bro, I'm so pissed off, man. I probably missed this price. Look, I have this low that led to this high that created a strong supply, right? Then I have this low that led to this high, change character. I could have made a supply in here. I could have made an entry here, bro. But that's okay. Let's go to the 1 minute. Because I executed the 1 minute. Okay. Okay, look for buys. Look for buys. I see liquidity. I see market strike. Sweep the liquidity. Okay, imbalance. Bro, I'm quite lost, man. So I see the price made a big move. 1, 2, 2. Can you see this is my time window, right? I see change of character. So this is high, this is low, then this is high. Cause a break of structure, change of character. So I can see price mitigating here. Can I see price mitigating here? But let's see in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I can see 1 minute. Okay. Let's see how price behaves. If price taps into twice, so I have a strong supply. Okay, I have this low. Okay, I have this low that led to this high that caused a change of character. Okay, so it makes a strong demand. Okay, so let's see. So this is a change of character. Okay, boom, boom, tap into. Bro, I could have entered it, man, but I need 2 legs confirmation. Yeah, let's see if the price come. If price come back, then I'm entering. Yeah, so my confirmation is 2 leg confirmation, right? Price pretty much has to do like this, 1, 2. So it causes a change of character. So this is a change of character. So this is my confirmation to enter. Then we just give it to God, bro. Literally, we just give it to God. Imagine if this is money, bro. I'm gonna be making a lot of money, bro. So it's 1, okay. So, but let's just, how many pips is it? 37 pips, not bad, bro. Let's so it's a what? So just cover this low, bro. Yeah, just cover this low, and then what I can see this. I can see this. I will target here 3, 1 to 3. Normally I would target here. Yeah, 1 to 4. Cause price is still a lot of place. Okay, let's see. Okay, so market tap into once into my demand. go up, change your character, break, tap it twice. So this is my confirmation to enter. Okay, I'm entering. Market took the Asian low. I'm entering. Boom. Okay, we on. We on. Okay. Just give it to God, man. God. Oh shit. Oh shit. But it is. I'm like. That's. No. So 1 to 3, right? 1 to 3. I take partials. So it's like this is a 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 1 to 3. Okay. So if okay, I haven't backtested, guys. I haven't backtested. Okay. So this is like money already, bro. Price, come on, man. I know this shit gonna tap. I want to take profit. Hey, ain't no way I'm leaving my followers. As well, like as it coming down to the end of my window, I don't know, man. Should I hold? Let me know, guys, what you guys do, because it's dying down. So I see price went to 1 to 3. I take my partials. Normally I 1 to 3. Price didn't want, like, it's just building liquidity. Do some crazy thing and then tap me out. Just tap me out. Okay, so the price tap it here. Boom. I could have taken money in here. I could have closed in here and yeah. Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, this is what. Yeah, price tap me out. So then what I do, backtesting, I just come in here, asset. I'd put GBP, USD, date and time, tap. Of the date and time of the trade, not the day you tested. Okay, so date and time. Okay, Thursday 13 March 21. Thursday 13 March 20. 20 what? 25. Okay, then I jump here, entry. So I put my entry. My entries are 1.2947. 1.29471. 0.29471. Stop loss, it is 1.29414. 1.294. So yeah, this is count as a loss, So yeah, we have one loss, and then let me see the time. 23 minutes, bro. Fuck. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it. That's just how I'd back test, okay? And there's one loss. Let me know if you should be putting more. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, share, okay? If you like it, let me know in the comments, guys. I appreciate it.